Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the Hotpoint Class 6 SI6864SHIX oven. It's a nice-looking basic oven that's straightforward and easy to use. Let's dive into the details. The Hotpoint Class 6 SI6864SHIX is technically a step up from its little brother, the Class 4 SI6864SHIX, with a slightly smarter interface. The control dials pop out for neater storage, and the program selector relies on icons for cooking options. While most icons are straightforward, it's helpful to have the manual handy when first using the oven. This oven offers various cooking options, including conventional, convection, forced air, grill, turbo grill, maxi cooking, fast preheating, and eco forced air. It also has a diamond clean option that uses steam to help clean the inside with 200 milliliters of water. With a generous 73 liters of internal space, there's plenty of room for cooking even for large groups. Hotpoint provides a metal shelf, a baking tray, and a drip tray with a wire rack, which is a good range of accessories considering the oven's low price. Now, let's talk about performance. During testing, oven chips cooked properly in 24 minutes at 210 degrees Celsius, and the oven used 0.460 kilowatts of energy, making it efficient for a large oven. Heat distribution is a bit uneven, with chips better cooked at the back right. Warming up the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, there was a temperature variance of 206 degrees Celsius at the front and 209 degrees Celsius at the back on the middle shelf, while the top shelf reached 215 degrees Celsius at the front and 218 degrees Celsius at the back. It's worth accounting for this variance while cooking. The grill is even, but a little sparse around the edges. To get an even finish, consider turning items in the grill partway through cooking. Overall, the Hotpoint Class 6 SI6864SHIX is a good choice for a straightforward oven. However, the Class 4 SI6864SHIX offers similar features for less, with the same range of accessories. If you're looking to save some money, the Class 4 is worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.